Hello students, in today's lecture now we will solve unsolved question from the exercise from the chapter admission of a partner. First we will read out a question and then we will solve the question. Vasu and Viraj share profits and losses in the ratio 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as under. See that the old ratio is given 3:2 and the balance sheet is given as on 31st March 2019. On asset sides, all assets are already recorded, and the liability side liabilities with the journal reserve and capitals of a partners. Now they admitted a new partner named as a Hari on 1st 4 2019 with a certain condition, and the first condition says that he shall have to bring rupees 60,000 as his capital for 1/4 share in future profits. It means for to share the future profit he has to give the 60,000 as his capital. So the journal entry will be cash or bank account debit to Hari's capital account. Now see the second adjustment. Value of the goodwill of the firm is to be fixed at the average profit for the last 3 years. It means what? They are not given the goodwill amount ready in the question. The goodwill is to be calculated on the average profit method, and for that they are given the last 3 years profit. That is, see that printing mistake in your textbook, it is 11 12 10 11 9 10 is given. It is wrong because the question balance sheet is given as on 31st March 2019. So the you will make the correction in your textbook. It will be 16 17 48,000, 17 18 81,000, and 18 19 73,500. It means first we have to calculate the goodwill of the firm, and then after we have to calculate the Harish share in the total goodwills ऑफ द फर्म. म्हणजेच काय तर इथे गुडविलची अमाऊंट आपल्याला इझिली क्वेश्चनमध्ये दिलेली नाही आहे. आपल्याला गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे कोणत्या मेथडने? ॲव्हरेज प्रॉफिट मेथडने. आणि ॲव्हरेज प्रॉफिट मेथडने गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट केल्यानंतर येणारं गुडविल हे पूर्ण फर्मचं गुडविल असेल. त्या फर्मच्या गुडविलमधनं आपल्याला हरीचं गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागेल आणि त्यानंतर ट्रीटमेंट गुडविलची ट्रीटमेंट द्यावी लागेल किंवा त्यानंतर गुडविलच्या एंट्रीज आपल्याला बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्समध्ये रेकॉर्ड करायचे. Hari is unable to bring the value of a goodwill in cash. It is decided to raise the goodwill in the books of accounts. म्हणजेच तो गुडविल कॅशमध्ये देऊ शकत नाही, त्यामुळे त्याने सांगितलं की त्याचा जितका काही शेअर्स असेल गुडविलचा तो बुक्समध्ये रेज करायचा आहे. इट मीन्स द थर्ड ॲडजस्टमेंट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल, दॅट इज न्यू पार्टनर डज नॉट ब्रिंग his share of goodwill in cash and it is raised in the books of accounts. So entry will be goodwill account debit to old partners capital account, and the goodwill amount will be appear in the answer balance sheet, that is in the new balance sheet. See that third adjustment, reserve for doubtful debt. It means RDT to be created 1,500. See, while reading your question, while reading your adjustment, read out carefully. At, on, air, these words are to be important as it is here written as created at. It means 1,500 amount is a RDD. Then closing stock valued at 22,500. Plant and building to be depreciated by 5%. Now see, they are telling us to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. The second name is revaluation account, capital account of partners, and the balance sheet of the new firm. So first we will read, first already we are completed with the reading of the question. Now second step, we will draw the format. See, first we will calculate the goodwill, that is goodwill average profit method. As per the average profit method, total profit divided by number of years. It means 48,000 plus 81,000 plus 73,500, that is given in the question, is 3 years, so divided by 3. And if we solve this, we will get the 67,500. As 67,500 is the total firm's goodwill, we have to calculate the Hari's share. So for Hari, he will get the 1/4 share in the future profit. So Hari's share in the goodwill will be 67,500 into 1 upon 4. So answer will be 16,875. So the goodwill amount 16,875 and Hari's share, it means 16,875 we have to raise in the books of account. Say that yes. Draw the format of all profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, cash and bank account as a working note, goodwill as a working note, and the balance sheet. See, whatever is the assets given on the balance sheet of question, that all we are transfer in the answer balance sheet: building, plant, debt, investment, then stock, sundry debtors, right? And on the liability side, partners capital account and sundry creditors. Say that partners capital account, the partners capital balances we are recorded on the partners capital account. On the credit side, it is two balance brought down 1,08,000, 72,000, and in the question balance sheet they are given us the journal reserve. So you are recorded the journal reserve, that is entry will be journal reserve account debit to partners capital account. So on partners capital credit side, by general reserve, and this amount 30,000 we will divide into their old ratio, that is 3:2, right? It means 30,000 into 3 upon 5, 30,000 into 2 upon 5, and Vasu and Viraj will get the share. After this, we will solve the adjustment with the one by one. The first adjustment is regarding the Hari capital, right? So the entry will be bank account debit to Hari's capital account. So on the partner's capital credit side, we will record by bank account 60,000 in the Hari's column, and on the cash and bank account on debit side opening balance is shown and to Hari's capital 60,000. The first adjustment is completed. Now second adjustment says the Hari's share of goodwill raised in the books of accounts. So the entry will be goodwill account debit to old partners capital account in their old ratio. So the goodwill 16,000 was, so the goodwill will be 16,875, that is divided into a Vasu and Viraj in their old ratio. It is 10,125 and 6750, and the second effect will be on the partners capital credit side by goodwill on Vasu's column 10,125, on Viraj column 6,750. See the third adjustment, sundry debtors RDD will be 1,500. So 1,500 minus from the sundry debtors from the balance sheet assets side. Second effect will be on the profit and loss adjustment account debit side as the liability increases to RDD 1,500. Next adjustment is regarding the stock, which is 22 stock. We have to record it at 22,500. In the question balance sheet it is given 25,500. It is decreased up to 22,500. It means it is decreased by the 3,000. So we will minus the 3,000 from the stock. It is the first effect in the balance sheet asset side, less 3,000 from the stock. Second effect in the profit and loss adjustment account debit side, as the asset decreases to stock rupees 3,000. Next adjustment, plant and building to be depreciated at 5%. So on the building 36,000, we will calculate 5%, it is 1,500. So minus 1,800 from the building as a depreciation from the asset side, and on the plant 90,000, again calculate 5%, it will be 4,500. So minus 4,500 from the assets side, balance sheet asset side, from the plant rupees 4,500 as a depreciation, and both will be recorded on the outer column. Now second effect will be profit and loss account profit and loss adjustment account debit side as the asset decreases to building to plant. And remember students, you have to record only the amount by which it will increase or decrease, not the full amount. So the building is decreased by 1800, plant is decreased by 4500, so you have to record only that amount. After this all adjustment has completed, but for goodwill one effect is remaining, that is as the goodwill raise, so it will be appear in the new balance sheet. So if in the working note we are preparing the goodwill account, it will give us idea. So that we will close goodwill account and the balance 16,875 we will transfer on the balance sheet asset side. See in the answer balance sheet asset side, goodwill 16,875 we are already recorded. Now first we will close our profit and loss adjustment account. As debit side all entries are recorded and no single entry on the credit side, so directly it indicates that it is a loss. So debit side total 10,800, credit side nil, so the loss will be 10,800. It is divided into both the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. And now this loss on revaluation will transfer to the partners capital account. So entry will be profit and loss adjustment account debit to old partners capital account. Say in the partners capital account debit side we are recording the loss on the revaluation, that is in the Vasu's column 6480 and Viraj column 4320. After this we will close the partners capital account. If we are making the total of Vasu's column on credit side, the answer will be 13,600, 1,36,125. On the debit side only 6480. It means debit side is lower than credit side. So from 1,36,125 we will minus 6480 and we will getting the closing balance 1,29,645. Again, if we are making the total of Viraj credit side, it will say 90,750. So from 90,750 we will minus 4,320. The closing balance of Viraj will be 86,430. And for Hari only one entry on the credit side, that is 60,000, and debit side no single entry, so the closing balance will be 60,000. Now this all closing balance we will record or we will transfer to the balance sheet, answer balance sheet on liabilities. See in the answer balance sheet on liability side we are recorded the closing balance of partners capital account, and then we will close the cash at bank account. See on debit side opening balance plus Hari's capital is given, credit side no single entry, so the credit side closing balance will be 60,750 and that we will transfer to the answer balance sheet asset side. So see in the answers balance sheet on the asset side, cash at bank 60,750 we are already recording. Then make the total of asset side and make the total of liability side, it will be equal. It means whatever we are effect given for the adjustment, that is correct. So the students, when the treatment of the goodwill is given, like the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash and it is raised in the books of account, that time only you have to remember one thing, only that this type of adjustment the goodwill will be appear in the answer balance sheet.